Hello, my name is Brian, owner and operator of Captain Lockpick, and today I will be showing you how to use the SC1 Lishi tool. This is by far the easiest tool to use to pick a lock. There's a little bit of a learning curve for sure, but I would say the average person could pick this tool up and become a decent lock picker within probably an hour or so. That's how easy it is to use. Alright, well, let's go into the van. I'll show you guys kind of how this tool works and why it is so efficient for picking locks. You'll see it very quickly. You'll be like, wow, that looks so easy. It really is. Like I said, there is a little bit of a learning curve, but I think with a little bit of practice, anybody can pretty much get pretty good at this tool. So, alright, let's go over the SC1 Lishi tool. This is one of my favorite tools to use, hands down. It has really changed how easy it is to pick a lock. It's very easy, very efficient. Basically, you're going to slide the tool in there, pull the tab back, make sure it's inserted all the way to the tip stop there. And you're going to begin applying tension right here. And you're going to go through, I like to just start at the beginning, start at 1. And you want to feel for stiffness. So that's bouncy, not ready to be picked. So the saying is, if it's stiff, it's ready to be picked. So 3 is stiff, as you can see. We'll lightly pull down on it until it's bouncy. Move on to 4. 4 is stiff, it is now picked. 5 is stiff, let's pick it. You'll kind of hear it click into place. Make sure it bounces afterwards, like so. 1 is not ready. 2 is ready. Let's pull it down here. There you go. Let's go back to 1. Should be the last one. And just like that, you've picked the lock. So it's very, very easy. You can actually use this tool to decode it and make a key for it right on the spot. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I will demonstrate one more time how I was able to do that. So we'll start at 1. 1 is bouncy. We'll go on to 2. 2 is bouncy, 3 is stiff. Let's pick it. Make sure it's bouncy after you pick it so you know you didn't overset it. 4, looks like that one kind of fell into place there. 5 is picked, 1's not ready. Let's do 2 here. Bouncy, let's go back to 1. Boom, just like that, you pick the lock. So this is by far the easiest way to pick a lock. It's very efficient. Just absolutely love these tools. So yeah, let's do that one more time real quick. Let's start at 5 this time. 5 is ready to be picked, bouncy, good to go. 4 kind of fell into place again. 3, ready to be picked, good. Let's go to 2, good, and 1. Just like that, you picked the lock again. Cool. Thank you for watching my video on how to use the SC1 Lishi tool. I hope you guys were able to learn something from it. I will be posting a link in the description on where you can get one of these tools at. Make sure that if you are getting one of these tools, you get the genuine Lishi brand. There is another, or excuse me, don't get the genuine Lishi brand. Get the original Lishi brand. The genuine one is kind of the knockoff, off-brand one, and it's just not as efficient as this one. It feels a little bit differently. It's kind of more poorly made, I would say. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will answer them. If you got value out of this video, or it was entertaining, or you learned something, go ahead and drop it a like. Also, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could help me get there, just down below there should be a subscribe button. You probably know where it's at. Please hit that for me. It'll really help me out. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.